Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, is a hub of innovative architecture and design companies. Founded in 1993, Scon Design has worked on a variety of projects ranging from residential to commercial and hospitality spaces. Apart from Scon Design India Private Ltd., there are several other architecture firms in Bangalore that are worth mentioning. One such firm is Studio Decode, which specializes in sustainable architecture and urban design. Another notable company is Mindspace Architects, which has worked on high-profile projects such as the World Trade Center Bangalore and the Embassy Golf Links Business Park. Other noteworthy architecture firms in Bangalore include Khosla Associates, Biome Environmental Solutions, and Architecture Paradigm.From designing eco-friendly homes to crafting iconic commercial spaces. These firms have helped shape Bangalore's skyline. In conclusion, Bangalore is home to a vibrant and diverse architecture community that includes Scon Design India Private Ltd. And many other notable firms. Bangalore is home to numerous architecture companies that offer a range of services across different sectors. One such company that stands out is Scon Design India Private Limited, based in Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Ltd. has established a reputation for delivering innovative and sustainable architectural solutions for its clients. Apart from Scon Design India Private Ltd., there are several other architecture companies in Bangalore that offer high-quality services. Some of the top names in the industry include Venkatraman Associates, Mindspace Architects, and Kemphavi Architecture Foundation. The demand for architecture companies in Bangalore has been on the rise owing to the city's rapid development and growth. In conclusion, Bangalore's architecture industry is thriving with several prominent names such as Scon Design India Private Ltd. Leading the way. One such firm is Scon Design India Private Ltd., which has established itself as one of the best architecture companies in Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Ltd. has worked on a range of projects in Bangalore, including residential, commercial, hospitality, and institutional buildings. Their portfolio includes iconic landmarks such as the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, UB City Mall, and many more. With a commitment to sustainability and innovation, Scon Design India Private Ltd. is a leader in the field of architecture and design in Bangalore. Overall, Scon Design India Private Ltd. is one of the best architecture companies in Bangalore, thanks to its talented team, innovative approach, and impressive portfolio of projects. One of the top architecture firms in the city is Scon Design India Private Limited. With a team of experienced architects and designers, Scon Design India has earned a reputation for delivering high-quality projects that exceed client expectations. Scon Design India has worked on a range of projects, from residential and commercial buildings to hospitality and healthcare facilities. Their expertise in sustainable design and use of cutting-edge technology